Return to wealthy coin. Everyone, hello Shoshi. His character was recently revealed. An informative Shiba Inu trip is in the works. Drew Hypothesis, a Shiba Inu handler and Twitter user, took issue with a post made by Shoshi Kusama, the breed's lead engineer, in January 2022. With the Ash Transport local area new organization's upcoming hashtag, Shoshi is hinting at share him in this video. We will talk about Shoshi's somewhat cryptic remark, which alluded to a chat he had with his coach and the realization that he would no longer be able to remain undetected by the end of 2022. Shoshi has recently revealed his true character. Going to go illustrative, Shibu, it appears that Shoshi will reveal his character. However, revealing his character does not align with assumptions. So on Christmas Eve, eyewitnesses set out to discover the truth. Shib News reminds you to crush the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the feed to see our latest content on Shiba Inu cost expectations and master examination moving along. Shoshi promised that Sharam will arrive soon, suggesting that delivery may occur just after the new year. With the release of the Shai stablecoin pegged to 0.1 and its potential for usage in the metaverse and gaming applications, Sharam is an Ethereum layer-to-scaling arrangement and a fundamental step towards expanding Shiba Inu into more than just a meme coin. This is all part of the late Shibu environment blog posting. Shib the Metaverse has been through a lot this year, with losses of 76 for the BOT token, a figure comparable to those of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and no public statements from Pioneer Roshi about the project's future. In response, engineer Shoshi took to Medium to explain his thoughts on the matter, saying that he had no information about Roshi's disappearance. Despite the ongoing concerns, he has confirmed taking charge of the venture and fulfilling Roshi's vision, which involves the Shiba Inu price has been trending downward on its graph for the past few hours, while the ship's value has dropped 3 in the past week. The image coin has also failed to gain ground, cutting ties with a few support lines after losing up to 6 summited value. The specialized viewpoint really indicates negative indicators on the daily diagram, but Shib has recently provided an example that illustrates the coin could observe a breakout to the prospective gain in the approaching 24 hours. According to the technical analysis, the coin could fall on its outline during the quick trading meetings and then move on to the potential gain. The declining trading volume of Shib supports the idea that buyers are staying low in the market. Currently, Shib is trading 90 below its all-time high, which it achieved around a year ago. Vendors have remained in charge of the cost for most of this month and really need to play the hero for boats to finish a potential gain breakout. Over the past week, the price of Shiba Inu plummeted from the 82 support line, and the currency was trading at 0.8. As buying power remains low, the Shiba Inu coin is expected to fall below the 0.8 level. A balanced triangle design has been formed, confirming that the coin could withstand a breakout. The main neighborhood support is at 0.76, and the image coin is expected to break out. A breakout will cause the Shiba Inu cost to rally to 0.824, and clearing that obstacle will take the coin to 0.86. It's understandable that buyers would keep their prices low. Given the drop in the amount of Shiba Inu exchanged during the last meeting during November and December, Shib was in the dealer's dominant zone. The whole file was below the 40 imprint following the new falling cost. As of this writing, suppliers have shown more negative than purchasers due to a lack of desire, as indicated by the pointers examining. When Shib fell below the 20 basic moving average line, it meant that sellers were putting their money into the market. If Shib stays above the 0.8 mark, the imitation currency will go up into the 20s. Other technical indicators have also indicated that there is a good probability that boats will be worth its graph. In the example, we can see the cost heading and the resource pattern. The marker was over the cost candles, indicating that the cost has been trending downwards recently. Cost force and pattern inversions are presented by the moving typical combination disparity. The fact that Mc persisted in painting red histograms suggested that brokers should sell, since this could lead to a rise in boat prices in 2022. Most digital forms of money, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are currently trading at a price that is 60 to 90% below their record highs, and the market for digital currencies didn't buy either. The best part is that this happened alongside an exposed market that was determined to keep the price of digital currencies low. Get a fresh, even the second biggest image coin isn't immune to the current situation. It's unclear who the mysterious person hiding behind the name is. In any case, according to the most recent update from the Twitter client shib, some interesting data has been leaked. The screenshot shows a message where he says he was talking to his tutor, and that they both agree that staying invisible will become more difficult in the coming years. The message was sent on January 21, 2022, and 2022 is going to end in a few days. He also mentioned that it's not possible to change and disrupt an industry and stay invisible. After that, the real fun begins. The truth will come out eventually, regardless of whether Kusamo keeps his word and exposes his true character to the world. For use in the cryptocurrency market, with the help of improvements to the SHAB area and the organization's layered blockchain arrangement, Shiba Inu is rapidly becoming a value-based blockchain. However, it can achieve this aim by becoming less dependent on legacy conventions such as Ethereum. With the Shalom's departure, the majority of boat exchanges on Ethereum will now take place on Sharum. This is a significant improvement over Ethereum because, as previously mentioned, Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum. However, due to low throughput capacities and high gas expenses, these variables have essentially slowed down the development of the boat organization. Despite Ethereum's new change to the POS organization, its exchange speed still doesn't work on fundamentally. Therefore, there are a few additional benefits to using Sharum. But the most important is that the launch will drastically reduce exchange costs, with most of those costs going towards transport token copying. This is based on data from the organization group, and Sharum will provide a copying procedure for transport tokens. Reducing the amount of SHIB that can be used in spite of boat copy information is one way to turn it into a utility token. There have been more than 40 copies of boat tokens since the organization's launch. However, the widespread distribution of symbolic stock is still too high, which hinders its use as a utility token. Since deeps are currently one of the most hotly debated topics in the cryptocurrency space, the SHIB team is working to make sure that Sharum is one of the most sought-after networks for DS development. They also think that Sharum has the potential to play an important role in the metaverse, which proponents have dubbed the future of the digital world and an improved method of online communication. SHIB's is enigmatic. Lead engineer Kusama has hinted that the launch of the Sharum missile is imminent, but he has refused to reveal a specific delivery date. This is not the first time Kusama has made such claims. For quite some time, he has been recycling similar directives. The launch of the Sharum missile is expected to support boat costs, as it will generate more use cases for the symbolic. Additionally, there will be more use cases for SHIB, thanks to the faster and more cost-effective exchange handling speeds. As a result, the boat community anticipates that the boat should exchange at 0.1 once the shuttle launches in a connected improvement. The makers of SHIB have stated that the testing phase of Sharum's presentation is dependent on the release of the much-anticipated Shiba Endlessness game early last month. Roshi, the anonymous boat designer, had hoped that bone whale holders would not have any advantages over other bone holders. However, this couldn't happen because Bone was the prize token for the Shiba trade. What's more, according to the organization's website, Bone will be the essential utility token for Sharum. Additionally, Bone is her utility token, and its holders get to vote on how the project is improved. It can hold up to 230 million coins. That's it for now, but don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our feed for further updates.